Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Urban Development, Honorable Prakash Man Singh, ISSMG President, Dr. Mark Baluch, ISSMG Vice President, Professor Kijin Shao, ISSMG National Presidents and Representative, keynote speakers, distinguished speakers, invitees, and all. It is a great honor to welcome you all to Geomandu 2024, the second event of the International Conference Series of Nepal Geotech Society. This year, we unite under the theme Geotechnics for Sustainable Infrastructures, addressing how geotechnical engineering can advance the development of resilient and environmentally sustainable infrastructure. Please allow me to briefly tell you about the Geomandu series of International Conference of Nepal Geotech Society. We started to hold international conferences beginning 2014 and in 2019. We decided to regulate international conference on geotechnical engineering topics. Then we had to go through the COVID-19 period, which affected our plan, and we had to postpone the initial plan for holding the international conference in 2020. Multiple times, and finally making it happen in March 2023. This was the first international event in Geomandu series of international conference. Overwhelmed by the success of Geomandu 2023, we decided that we should hold this conference in every 2 years, and here is the Geomandu 2024 because of your great support. Thanks very much. Nepal's unique geology, characterized by active tectonics and frequent occurring disasters such as landslide and earthquake, greatly challenge the need of sustainable infrastructure development. Our challenges are to build infrastructures that not only meet today's need, but also prepare the future risks. Geomandu 2024 offers a platform for experts and around the world to exchange knowledge, share insights, and propose the innovative solution to create safer, more sustainable infrastructure, especially in regions vulnerable to natural disaster. This time, we have participants from over 24 countries. So I believe this conference truly highlights the global relevance. We are especially grateful to the support received from the International Society for Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering, ISSMG, and the various other national societies, which have significantly contributed to enriching our discussion. I also extend my heartfelt thanks in advance to our supporting organizations, sponsors, speakers, participants, and other contributors for their sparkling efforts and belief in the excellence of the international event of Nepal Geotech Society.